CSE project learning group. Today I will teaching in this video for Python casting. First, there may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language and such as it uses classes to define data types, include its primary types. First, what is Python casting? This Python casting work in Python. One data type convert into another data type. Some example in data type convert into string data type. It is called as Python casting. This Python casting is in Python done with functions such as int or float or string. First, int. It is construct an integer number from a integer literal, a float literal or a string literal. Next one is float. It is construct a float number from an integer literal, a float literal or a string literal. It is a float casting. And next one, string casting. It is construct a string from a wide variety of data types, include string, integer literal and float literal. Next, integer casting syntax and example. This integer casting syntax is variable equal to int value. Next one example, this integer casting example, that is x equal to int of 1. There will be x will be give 1. Next, y is equal to int of 2.3. The 2.3 is a float data, but the integer casting is converted into integer. You will be 2. You will have 2 only. Next, float casting syntax and example. The float casting syntax is variable equal to float value. Float of value. Next, this example is x equal to float of 1. This is integer data, but the float casting converted into float data type. Float data, there x will be 1.0. Written for this float casting 1.0 for this int number. Next one is y is equal to float 2.3 is a float value is converted into same for give 2.3. Next one is string casting syntax and example. The string casting syntax is a variable equal to str of value. This example is x is equal to str of new. This is string, so same as string. Next one is str of, this is 2.3 is a float value, but the string casting converted into y will be have 2.3 of string. The quotes inner the value are all for string. So the string casting converted into 2.3, this float data converted into string data. Next, z equal to string of 3. This 3 is a int data, but the string casting converted into 3. Sorry, this is a z. The z will be give for 3 of inner the codes. So this is a string data. You not understand now. I am give some example for this 3 casting. So I am open for Python IDLE. In this video I am open Python shell mode. Okay, I am first given for integer casting example. So I am create x is equal to x variable and next int of 2.4. I am working for this string casting. So print this x value, this is give value for 2. This function create integer float value into integer value. This is for integer casting. Next I am give for float casting. So I am create y is equal to float, but I am give value is a integer value, but the return value is a float value. So I am print this y, print of y, print. This is give for 3.0. This converted integer value into float value. This is for float casting. Next I am give for string casting. The string casting is z equal to str is, I am give one float value 2.8 44 2.4. I am print this x. This is have 2.4. This is string. And next I am one give some example. Y is equal to str 3. I am print this value y, that is y, print y. I am print this, but the C for same of the float and integer. How to find out this string? How to convert this string? How to find out? So I am check for these types. First type x. I am first type check for x type. This is show for string. This is converted into float, float into string. Next I am check for type y. I am press enter. This is converted into int into string. So this is for string casting in Python. Okay, this casting, Python casting is complete. Thank you for watching. Watch my next videos.